How to make $1 million on Etsy in 2 minutes. Let's talk about it. Hi friends! Today I'm going to teach you how to make $1 million on Etsy in 2 minutes. Have I made $1 million on Etsy myself? No, but I have done thorough research on the top 100 shops on Etsy right now, many of which have done well over $1 million. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. Here are 6 tips to help you make $1 million on Etsy in just 2 minutes. Tip number 1, have lots of listings. We're talking hundreds, if not thousands of listings. Not only listings, but really good keywords in your listings. At the end of the day, business is about marketing. It's about getting eyes on your products and selling those products to as many people as you possibly can. So if you do the math, having more listings gives you a greater chance of getting found on Etsy. Duh. Tip number 2, find a niche. One thing that really surprised me when I was researching the top selling shops on Etsy is that a lot of them only sell 1 to 2 products. It's insane. Some people sell only seeds or only jewelry or all these random things that you wouldn't think of. So just because you have to create thousands of listings doesn't mean you have to create thousands of variations of different products. And that brings us to tip number 3, excellent branding. Now, some people might disagree with me on this, but I think branding is absolutely key to any business. It's not absolutely necessary, but it is one of those things that is going to take your shop to the next level. So many of those giant shops on Etsy have established whole businesses just based off of their Etsy shop. How did they do this? Through excellent branding. Tip number 4, focus on the customer. Guys, if your customers aren't happy, your business is not going to be doing well. If you want to make big bucks, focus on the customer. Obsess about their needs, their wants, their desires. What do they need? What do they really want? What are they willing to pay for said desire? In the words of Walt Disney, promise good, deliver great. Give your customers an amazing experience with every shop interaction that you have with them. Tip number 5, get really good at selling. If you want to make $1 million on Etsy, you have to get really, really good at selling. I'm talking really dang good. How do you become a good salesperson? By appealing to the needs of the customer. Your listings and shops should be excellent quality. You need amazing quality photos, amazing listing details with a nice description. Make your customers trust you. That is so key in any business. Tip number 6, consistently grow your shop. It's really important that you're consistently and constantly in your shop improving listings, adding listings, answering customer messages, and things like that. Etsy likes to know that you're involved and committed to growing your business. So if you're in there every day improving your shop, the algorithm is going to be like, oh my gosh, this person likes our platform, they're going to make us more money, and they're going to promote your shop more than if you're in it once a week, once a month, and you don't want to be one of those dead shops on Etsy. And I think that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what your experience is on Etsy. I'll see you next time. Bye.